Premier League teams cannot wait for Chelsea next season. Imagine having Mohammed Kudus, Cole Palmer, and Estavio Williams. These 3 attackers in Chelsea front line next season. Who is mentioned any defender that can stop Chelsea? That can stop Chelsea. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, something good is about to happen in Chelsea. Something suitable and something palatable is about to happen in Chelsea. Ladies and gentlemen, the God of Westham and the God of football, let this happen for Chelsea fans. Guys, God is about to bless Chelsea fans and God is about to bless Chelsea. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to receive blessing from God. Westham is considering signing Chelsea goalkeeper Robert Sanchez. Westham is considering signing one of the best goalkeepers in the world, better than Onana, better than Alisson, Robert Sanchez. Guys, from today onwards, let us begin prayers. If you go to church, if you go to the mosque, pray and pray harder and harder for Westham to come for one of the best goalkeepers in the world. I'm telling you. Information said that, guys, Westham is considering signing or a move for Robert Sanchez. Oh, the God of Westham. Westham, my second team. Westham, the team I started supporting since infancy. Westham, the team I cherish and love. Westham, the team every Chelsea fan cherish and love. Westham, please come and sign Robert Sanchez. Even if you are short of money to sign Robert Sanchez, we the Chelsea fans will contribute. We will help you to sign Robert Sanchez. So come, no fear, the money is there. If you are shortage of money to sign Sanchez, come, Richman is available. I will add you money to sign Sanchez. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hope this can happen. Let's hope it happen. And this will not be a surprise to me or a new thing to me because Chelsea interested to sign Kudus. We are coming to Mohammed Kudus' latest information, guys. Chelsea is interested to sign Kudus, and information came that Westham want a swapping deal, be it Robert Sanchez or Keenan Drosborough. So Westham interested to sign Sanchez is not a surprise to me, or it's not a new thing to me. Yes, and I'm hoping and praying and praying. See, I'm going to add this to my prayers. Westham to come and sign Sanchez, so that we'll see what will happen between Sanchez sister and Maresca. Because, guys, see, I am telling you that even if Chelsea go and bring Magnon, unless Magnon prove it to the highest level that he must be the number 1 goalkeeper or he deserves to be the number 1 goalkeeper, Maresca will still prefer Sanchez over Magnon. I'm telling you, any goalkeeper, even if Chelsea go and bring Courtois today, yes, any prime goalkeeper you can talk about, unless that goalkeeper come and prove it and show that he should be the number 1, and he can only be the number 1, so that the fans see, the owners see, the world see, football fans see that, okay, no matter how the situation, this player is better than Sanchez. But if it come to 50-50 or Magnon come and we see that the performance and Sanchez performance is 50-50, but let's give Magnon time, he will improve. I'm telling you, Maresca will still prefer Robert Sanchez over any goalkeeper or any new goalkeeper. So the only thing Chelsea can do about not having Sanchez in our goal post, Sanchez not being Chelsea goalkeeper, is to sell him. For that one, Maresca will not have any option. But if it comes to Maresca taking an option between any goalkeeper and Robert Sanchez, Maresca is going to pick Sanchez. Maresca prefers Sanchez because, do you know what? He is a failure. He want to fail. He want to get sacked. And when sacking is in the blood of a manager, that is how he behaves. He can't see the difference between a player who is doing good and a player who is doing bad. Yes, so I can see the sacking atmosphere around Enzo Maresca. That is why he trusts Sanchez. Because, see, mark this down. If Chelsea is going to sack Enzo Maresca next season, Robert Sanchez will contribute to that. Sanchez will be one of the reasons why Chelsea will sack Enzo Maresca. I'm telling you, because You can't be starting a player who is not doing good, who is not doing well, who is conceding goals, errors upon errors. And which options are there? You will not try that option. So guys, see, for me, the only way I see Chelsea not having Sanchez in our goal post is Chelsea selling him. Just see, if Sanchez stay in Chelsea next season, as I said, even if Chelsea bring Magnon, until Magnon prove it to some occasion, number of occasions that he is good, then Maresca will choose Magnon. But if it will come to, let's give Magnon time, this is his new team, he has to adapt what and what, Maresca will continue using Robert Sanchez. And next season, if we want to compete, if we want to win trophies at the elite level, we can't have Robert Sanchez as our goalkeeper. Go and see world football. All teams that are competing, they don't have error goalkeeper or mistake goalkeepers. And you can't compete in world football with having a goalkeeper like Robert Sanchez. So guys, Sanchez, Westham interested to sign Robert Sanchez. Let me hear from you under the comment section. How much should Chelsea sell him? How much are you going to contribute even if Westham doesn't have the money to sign Robert Sanchez? How much are you going to contribute, guys? So that is the latest information for Robert Sanchez. And let's come to Mohammed Kudus. But before we go there, guys, please don't forget to hit the like button. Just remind you, hit the like button, hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. The Ghanaian international, the dribbler, the all-round attacker, yes, the versatile player, the versatility, Mohammed Kudus changed a new agent. Kudus changed agent called Roof Agent. And this agent, they are very good in negotiating. They ever work with players like Van Dijk, yes, players like Havertz, players like Serge Gnabry, yes. So the agent Mohammed Kudus changed to, they have a good record behind them, legacy behind them. And as we are speaking now, he is on the list of Chelsea. And Kudus as a player, see, he need to be playing for one of the big teams in Europe. Kudus can play for any team in this world. Any elite team in this world, Kudus can play. I'm telling you. We saw him at his Ajax days. Sometimes Ajax was playing him as a false nine, and he was banging in the goals. He was scoring goals for fun. I can still remember during his days at Ajax, Mohammed Kudus. Yes, he faced Liverpool at Anfield. On that day, Liverpool walked alone. On that day, Kudus pocketed Van Dijk. Pocketed Van Dijk. So this kind of player coming to your team, what do you want again? Kudus coming to your team, you have to accept him with all your two hands. Even if you have four hands, accept him because he is a good player. He is a good player. So Kudus changing agent, that means that he want a move. Yes, it's a suspect. It means that he want a move. He want a transfer. Yes, and as I said, Kudus coming to Chelsea will be. Imagine having Mohammed Kudus and Cole Palmer in our front line. Guys, insane. Who is stopping Chelsea? Who is stopping Chelsea? Two good talented players playing for one team. Premier League teams are dead. Premier League teams cannot wait for Chelsea next season. Imagine having Mohammed Kudus, Cole Palmer, and Estavio Williams. These three attackers in Chelsea front line next season. Who is mentioned any defender that can stop Chelsea? That can stop Chelsea. So guys, see, I can't wait for Chelsea to sign Mohammed Kudus. Let's hope he really changed this agent because of the move. Because of his move to Chelsea. Because of his transfer to Chelsea. I can't wait. Welcome to Chelsea Football Club in advance, Mohammed Kudus. The best dribbler. Last season, Kudus was the best dribbler. The most dribbler in European football. All the major European football. Yes, he was the best dribbler. So I am taking Mohammed Kudus to Chelsea. And here's the fee issue. Westham want cash, 80 million, or a swapping deal. Information said that be it Keenan Drosborough Hall or Robert Sanchez as I said, or they will go and sign Sanchez. So guys, that is the latest for Ghanaian international. The Ghanaian international, the talented winger, the versatility, yes, the all-round attacker. If you forget the name of Mohammed Kudus, you can also call him all-round attacker. All-round attacker. the versatility. Yes, the man himself. So guys, that is the latest for Mohammed Kudus. And let's move to the next transfer. This time around, let's go to France. Bradley Barcola. Chelsea interested to sign Bradley Barcola, and not only Chelsea, Arsenal and Bayern Munich all show interest to sign Barcola. Yes, but unfortunately, PSG turned that interest down. Yes, PSG consider him to be part of their project, and Enrique consider him to be part of his squad next season. So for that matter, from Fabrizio, PSG is not selling Bradley Barcola. Yes, and this player, another young talented player, what a wow. Imagine Chelsea signing Barcola. Imagine having Kudus. Imagine having Estavio. Imagine having Cole Palmer. What a wow, what a wow. I can't wait this to happen. But that is football, or that is transfer. Anything can happen. Yes, the transfer window just opened at its infancy. So we shall see. Their mind can change, or maybe they said that they are not selling him because of the fee. They want to sell him a better fee. Sometimes that is the plan. If a team want to sell a player higher fee, they will say that they are not selling him for you, the team, to increase your offer. So let's see. But this our Chelsea, can I trust my sporting directors? Guys, can we trust our sporting directors that they can sign Bradley Barcola? But for me, when it comes to me, I will take Barcola in Chelsea. So guys, that is the latest information for Bradley Barcola coming to Chelsea. Let me hear from you. Do you think we need him in Chelsea? And this time around, let's move to Juventus, Italy. Chelsea long admirer, the player Chelsea admired long time ago, Juventus striker Dusan Vlahovic. Dusan Vlahovic, and this striker, I can still remember even under the old ownership, Chelsea showed interest to sign him. Vlahovic, yes. And as we are speaking now, injuries didn't help him. But information said that Chelsea is still attentively monitoring his situation to see whether they can go for him or not. Because information came, yes, that Chelsea will sign another striker to add to Nicola Jackson and Liam Delap. And that reminds me of another video coming, guys. Nicola Jackson market value has been revealed. If Chelsea will sell Nicola Jackson, yes, they want to sell him a certain fee. And Andrew Santos latest, yes, his future in Chelsea also revealed. That video is also coming. Yes, so please turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, hit the subscription button. When those videos come, you will be the first person to see it. So guys, let's come back to Dusan Vlahovic. That Chelsea is still monitoring him. Chelsea still want to sign him, yes, if he is available. And as I said, injuries is the problem. And this guy, he is good. Yes, his early days when he was 22, 21, at that time, Chelsea showed interest. And as we are speaking now, he is 24. And this kind of players, even when we are looking at them and their age, it's not compatible. No. They are older than their age. You see this player, Vlahovic, Haaland, and Yamal. No. Up to now, like someone must just convince me that these players are using their real age. How? Look at Haaland and look at the age. Look at fat, tall, energetic, strong Haaland. And look at Yamal. 17 years Yamal. Or he recently turned to 18 or next month, what and what. 17 years Yamal. And look at the football he's playing. Even when you look at him, no. I don't think Yamal is 17 yet. No. And Dusan Vlahovic. Yes. No. This is a scam. But let's see. So guys, Dusan Vlahovic is still on the list of Chelsea, and Chelsea is monitoring his situation. Yes, Chelsea may go for him during the transfer window. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about this striker. Do you think we need him? Do you think he can come and add to Nicola Jackson and Liam Delap? Can he come and give us the goals? Let me hear from you under the comment section. And let's come to another winger Chelsea interested to sign. Lyon winger, yes, Belgium international Malik Fofana. Yes, as we are speaking now, information came that Liverpool is leading the race, or Liverpool is ahead of Chelsea to sign Malik Fofana. As we are speaking now, initial Chelsea show interest, but Liverpool also entered into the negotiation. Liverpool want to sign Malik Fofana. And I said this already, one of my videos, that see, this transfer window, the earlier you do it, the easier you get it. The earlier you do it, the easier or the low you even pay the fee. Earlier, we went for Jamie Gittins, we were wasting slowing. Now, Bayern Munich entered into the race, the negotiation. We don't know what will happen next. The same as Malik Fofana. As a sporting directors, owners, if you think a player profile fit into this our Chelsea team, go and sign him. Yes, and the initial stage, the price they were even asking for is not hard. Like Jamie Gittins' own. Initial, I think they came for 40 million. Chelsea was rolling the deal up to the last day. They said, okay, Chelsea bring 55 million because they now knew that you are desperately need him. You need him to go and play the Club World Cup. So they increased the fee to 55 million. So Jamie Gittins also, as we are speaking now, information came that yes, Dortmund and Chelsea, they are having club-to-club talks to see if they can agree on the fee. But for the personal terms, yes, Jamie Gittins agreed to join Chelsea. He wants to come to Chelsea, 7 years contract. But we don't know. We don't know whether Dortmund will get it done or not. So the same as Malik Fofana. Liverpool also entered into the race to sign Malik Fofana. So we are waiting to see, guys. If anything happens during the course of this transfer window, I will update you again. And also, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thoughts about all the transfers we discussed in this video, guys. Yes. And as I said, another video is coming about Nicola Jackson. Market value. Yes. Chelsea consider selling him. And if any team will sign Nicola Jackson, they should bring a certain fee. That video is coming. And Andre Santos, who went to League One and conquered. Yes, and conquered everybody. Neves, Vertinha, any midfielder you can talk about in PSG team. This young man, talented Andre Santos, conquered him. But he joined Chelsea and Enzo Maresca said, no. You conquered PSG or you conquered League One doesn't mean that I trust you. Doesn't mean that I rate you. I'm not going to play you. For that matter, Andre Santos, a certain team interested to sign him. That video is coming. And I gave you another video yesterday about Chelsea latest transfers. Here's the video. Please click to enjoy them. And don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Take care. Peace.